Kabilis, welcome to today's video and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So it's time for me to do my nails. So I want to share with you the new gel polishes that I got from Madam Glam, New York. So they sent me set of gel polishes. So this is the box, and of course it includes this a pocket LED lamp, the gold pocket LED lamp. Ayan. So ang ganda nito, no? Because this is very travel friendly. So if I will travel, go to Philippines, I can do my nails using this LED lamp. Because I have mine, but it's big. I don't want to carry it with me. So I really want a travel size. Actually, I have one, but it's a different brand. So this one, it's really cool. Ganito lang siya kalaki. Ayan, o. So it has a button, a power button here. Yan yung power button. So, and the cable as well, and it has a adapter. So this can be used at 100 to 240 volts. So you can use this in the Philippines as well, because in the Philippines it's 220, right? So you can use it with a USB. If you have like a power bank, you can use this if you don't have a plug-in, but it's very good because you can use either way. So ganyan. So ako, yung lamp ko meron siyang USB port, so I can just hook this to my lamp, attach this, and we'll see. There you go. This is very cool. So ganyan siya, and then you put your nails under. This is very nice. So this gold pocket LED lamp costs $19.95. It's very affordable, and it's long time use anyway. As long as you take care of it, I think you're gonna use this for a long time. So let's go to the polishes. So this is what they sent me, Madam Glam, New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. May ganun pa siya. Okay, so this is the box. Let's open it. Oh, very cute. So they sent me 5 polishes. Here it is. Ang cute, oh. Meron siyang foam. Okay, so one is top coat. Ayan, this is the top coat. And this one is a base coat. Ayan. And I got this color. This is the coconut shade. Ayan. We will try it. The Malaysia. Okay. And of course, this is the bloom. I like this one because it's kind of like baby pink. It's really nice to partner when you have a French tip like this. So far my nail is this one. Ayan, I made this myself. So it's been like maybe 10 years since 2012 or 10 that I start doing my own nails. Anyway, until now I do my own nails. I don't have to go to salons. It saves a lot of money because here in States it's so expensive to go to a salon and, you know, do your nails. So I rather do my nails by myself. Okay, so let's try this, and I will try to do a simple design that I could so you can see how it looked like on my nails. All right. Okay, so as you can see, na-change na natin yung ating nails. So tinanggal ko na siya, and I changed my nails to a round shape or almond shape. And if you're wondering what gel nails I'm using the Après nails. This is the Après nails gel nail extension. Ayan. So if you want to know how I put it, then let me know in the comment section, and I'll make a separate video how I put my nails on. So we will try first. So this is the base and the top coat. Let's put this aside. So we will try to put this, how it looks like on the nails. So I think this is just very light color. I like the consistency of the gel polish. It's very smooth application. So this is a very translucent color. This bloom shade. So yeah, you cannot really see the color. Maybe once we cure it and put like second or third coat, it's the time we can see the color goes. Then wait that, so let's try this Malaysia color, like this one. This, by the way, the other one is bloom color, this one. So this is a very baby pink shade. It's like a powder pink though. So this is how it looked like, that kind of pink. Oh, I think I missed some spot in there, sorry. Okay, so the other one is kind of like that. It's very transparent looking. The other one is very powder pink. Yeah, very light pink. This one, which is the coconut color. So this is kind of like a yellowish color. I like how the color, it's not patchy. I like it, that it's really glides so smoothly. And this one, I don't think you need a second coat. I like this polish when you don't need a second coat, because it's just flawless when you put it to your nails. Look at that color. Let's see what happened. So this is the first one. This is the bloom color. My background is pink, so you can't really see that one. And the other one is the Malaysia. It's really cute, powder pink. And this one is the coconut shade. Very nice, kind of creamy yellowish color. I like it though. So as a decision, what I'm gonna do with my nails, I'm gonna use the bloom color and the coconut. I'm gonna use their base coat. So let's do the base coat. It's better when I do like this. So this is how it look like. Let's cure it. Okay. All right, so now I will use the bloom color. Maybe I'm gonna do 2 coat of this, so we can really see the color, so you can see. Okay, actually I can cure that already while I'm doing the rest. Okay, okay, so that's how it looks. You see how it blurs my nails and have a natural pinkish color. So now let's do my thumb. So maybe I'll just gonna do a simple design for my nails. I always have my nail design. I don't go just plain. I only go plain when I do white nails. So medyo may ka-artihan lang ang lola nyo. Medyo daw. Yan. Okay. So now I'll do the second coat. Okay, so now I have this what do you call this? This is like a stone palette, and I'm gonna use this coconut color. Let's just put some here, and I'm just gonna do a simple line. That's what I'm gonna do. My brush, I'm just using my simple detailer brush or art brush, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna do some lines. since I want it simple. So I'll just start here and go here and go it over there. And then let's do the opposite on the other side. Like that. Okay, let's cure it. Okay, so now let's do the top coat. This is the Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe top coat. So there's no sticky residue. So this is good. I like top coat like this because you don't have to wipe it. Okay. I like the way it turned out, huh? Perfect. Okay, cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so here you go. So I will do my other nails on my right hand off cam and I'll show you how it turned out. So here you go, guys. I think I got cut off because my phone died, so hindi ko alam kung naputol tayo. But anyway, I like the way it turned out. So that's my nails. Let's put some nail oil so to prevent dryness. Ayan. Ang ganda. I love it, guys. Ayan. Very simple, cute nails. Uso naman yung mga spa-spiral, diba? So, just do this. Ayan. So, this is my spiral nail design. Gel polish from Madam Glam. So, ayan, guys. Gusto nyo pa yan? Ang ganda, diba? So ayan, guys, tapos na. So, ang ganda ng kinalabasan ng aking nails actually. I love it. Very simple. Ayan. Nakikita nyo naman. So, ayan. Ang cute. So, simple lang. So, thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me this very interesting gel polish that I enjoy using, doing my nails. So, thank you so much. I will put the link on my description box para naman ma-check out nyo siya. So each gel polish costs around $21.99, but they have their, I think, promo online for the month. So you can get it, I think, for $9.95. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching me doing my nails, and I'll see you on my next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do kindly hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!